And also we're offering what we're calling the Copywriting Thrive Kit. You can get that at the Rally page if you're not a member to Copy Chief. If you are a member of Copy Chief, of course, you have all these resources and more, but we're focusing on things, frameworks and templates that will help you write faster, that will help you structure messages better, because right now we're hearing from a lot of people that they just aren't sure what to say, how to say it right now. But I'll tell you, the worst thing you can possibly say is nothing. Everybody needs to speak up and speak out right now in a time of crisis. And if you're stuck for how best to say what you want to say, I recommend heading over to the Rally page and getting that free Thrive Kit, because there's some cool frameworks in there for you to, format your messages. We also included a few things that I think will help you with your mindset talks and trainings from Todd Herman in there with alter egos. This is a good time to strap on your alter ego cape or mask and get your talisman out because you're going to have to wear a mask certain times during all this. When you're feeling scared and unsure, you got to step up and lead and help other people feel better. It's our job. It's our job as entrepreneurs. It's our job as business leaders. This is a really good time for everybody to muster more courage and step up. Don't worry about getting it perfect, but you gotta be present.